Cartabella has so many wonderful scrapbook kits. You can use these for junk journaling, scrapbooking, card making, because you can see there's a lot of these that you could use on birthday cards and other themed cards. This is the sticker sheet. These are nice thick stickers. They're not quite cardboard or chipboard, but they are really thick stickers. These are really nice. And then we have the papers, which are double-sided, Home on the Range, and that one looks like the range. Here is a really nice masculine stripe, and there's a grid. This one is a cutout sheet. You could cut these out. You could use them on cards. You could use them on junk journals, in your scrapbooks. There's a really pretty night sky. There's one with country guitars. I love that. That is wonderful. I can think of lots of great uses for these papers. These papers are textured. It's not a linen texture. It's what I would call an orange peel texture. Very thick, nice quality paper. There are saddles. And then there's a really pretty plaid. I love how everything color coordinates. Here's another sheet of cutouts. Big skies and wide open spaces. Perfect for a country person, country boy or girl, because this one definitely is more feminine. There are beautiful colors in this, but it still matches all of the other papers, so everything coordinates so beautifully. Here's a really nice pattern in blue, or like a bluish gray. This one looks like a bandana. The other side has a map of the Grand Teton National Park. Here's another sheet of cutouts. This one is really cool as well, and the other side is really cool looking. It looks like a leather saddle. And then here is, these are little framed icons, I guess you could say, or little frame pictures. You could cut those out and use them as embellishments on different things, your pages, scrapbook pages, cards, journals, or you could cut larger pieces and use it as a large piece. There's a really pretty piece of gingham. Here are cowboy boots. Oh, a really pretty piece of Southwestern. But look how well all of this coordinates. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Really rich jewel tone colors. And this one is another sheet of cutouts. And then on the back, this one is wood. But this is a wonderful, wonderful kit for scrapbooking and card making.